expect an exceptionally busy week, John Farrell.
We're very clear. We cannot forecast the future. We don't know. You're going to have a much murkier economic environment going forward than you had in May and June.
We expect the impact of COVID to continue to negatively impact our earnings until we see a clear trend of meaningful improvements in unemployment and GDP.
Well, I think certainly as earnings kind of kicks off in earnest this week, it will be a tough test for stocks. I think crucially, it's less really about kind of the backwards looking figures that are going to be released, but it's more about kind of the company narrative about the outlook ahead.
An equity market that's breaking down a little bit this morning.
We see NASDAQ and tech-related names giving back a little bit in a week where there has been vaccine development or positive news. This is not surprising.
I think we've got a couple things going on. There's a little bit of nervousness whether we're going to get the fiscal stimulus extensions that we're looking for. And then I think some of the high flyers maybe have flown too high. The market has been really so driven by just a few stocks that I think any weakness there kind of very quickly translates to the broad market.
You get volatility when there's a lot of people trying to get in and out of markets. The U.S. market has a solid trend. The reason why emerging markets are currently, at S&P volatility is there's not that much money trying to transact within that market.